ProBuilders gives developers and real estate agencies the tools to manage projects and boost sales, all in one powerful platform. A clean, modern interface. Everything you need with nothing you don't. Categorized apartment listings make sorting and searching effortless. Detailed property pages include floor plans and key specs. The dashboard gives you analytics, application statuses, and powerful filters. Built-in performance metrics let you track trends and demand in real time. Manage client inquiries and activity, all in one place. ProBuilders is the platform that streamlines work for developers and helps you sell faster. Get started now. Automate your real estate with ProBuilders.